Look at the view. Oh my goodness, we're on top of the mountain. We've made it. Just a few more. We've been clearing trees, just a few more to go. That'd be called a strainer.
A strainer,
yeah.
Why? That's a strain pedal.
Strain you right out of your boat.
Oh. Some action.
Stop! No, not that.
All right.
So these, I have no idea which ones these are, but they're all over. This was a black birch.
Yeah, that's what I'd say it was.
Wow. Colonizing.
They were brilliant orange earlier.
Yeah.
When they were smaller.
Little ones.
This summer.
Wild garlic. Ramps. Ramps are waking up. Yum. There's even a bigger patch right there.